guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Chrissy. I'm so pleased to meet you. Today I'm actually going to do another unboxing of an advent calendar. So today we have got the large Body Shop calendar. If you'd like to know what's inside the box, please stay tuned. So this box retails at £99, I do believe, which is a little bit steep in my opinion. I'm actually trying to open it. Right, this is what it comes like. Let me just lift it up for you. It smells delicious. So it's actually really fun. So that is what's inside. Let me just have a little look whether it's 24 or you get one on 25. I don't know whether it says. We'll just go by one and we will open them up. Oh, it is. It's got a 25, yeah, so you've actually got a Christmas Day one as well, which is a nice little added touch. What I might do, if I can actually find the prices, I'll put a running total of how much it would have been if you bought them separately. Number one. This is going to be, oh, we are right in front of me. So, number one. So the first thing we have is, I could have done with my glasses really, a banana truly nourishing hair mask. That is in 240ml. So that's the mask. It's a nice big size that is. So let me have a look. Oh, it smells delicious. It's really thick. That's lovely. That's number one. It's a good start, isn't it? Number two says stand up and speak out. And it is, there we go. It's a coconut hand cream. It's 30ml. That's just as it just says what it does on the tin, doesn't it? So it's a coconut hand cream. Number three. I love these. They're really nice. They're all different sizes and really pretty. We have a youth concentrate sheet mask. Drops of youth. Instant hydration after 15 minutes. Skin looks fresher, bouncier and healthier. Could do with some of that myself. Number four. It's probably right in front of my eyes. Oh, come on. Right, it is right in front of my eyes. Say so it's a liquid lip shine. It's in Apple Taffy 006 Shine Liquid Lip. There's number five. These can be used over and over again. To tell you the truth, you can actually keep it for next year. So you've got a chamomile body lotion. No, it's not. It's a chamomile gentle eye makeup remover. That is a 250ml. Number six. Number six is Juicy Pear Softening Body Butter. That is a 50ml. Number seven. I must thank my daughter for letting me open this to show you, because she says you better put all the stuff back, because she's not actually seeing the stuff, so she's not actually going to be able to watch this video. This one is a warm vanilla shower gel. That's a 60ml. That's number 8. Shea Nourishing Body Butter. And that is in, when I can find it, 200ml. That's a big size. Number 9. Is a coconut body scrub. That size is 50ml also. Number 10. Some of these boxes are really heavy. So I've got some the full size products. A strawberry clearly glossing shampoo. And that's a 250ml. 11 is a nice tall one. And that is a moringa hand cream. Number 12 cream, Nature Rich Daily Moisturiser. That one is in a 50ml. It's over here. This one is the strawberry conditioner to go with the shampoo, and that's 250ml. That's 14. This is a British Rose shower gel, and that is a 250ml also. 15. White Musk Flora Eau de Toilette in 30ml. 16. A Japanese camellia cream. Camilla, or is it Camilla or Camellia? Camellia. So this is a Velvet Moisture body cream, and that one is in 50ml also. That's that. Number 17. Oh, this feels very light. Is this a brush? Oops. Yes. Okay, so this is, it looks like an eyeshadow. Yeah, that is an eyeshadow brush. A flat, looks like. Number 18 is another heavy one. Is Oils of Life Intensely Revitalizing Cream, and that's a 50ml. Oh wow. That looks lovely. Nice glass tub. Oh, that smells a bit grainy, wheaty, natural. The oils in this it says it's with 3 precious seed oils. You've got black cumin from Egypt, rosehip oil from Chile, and camellia oil from China. So that must be an intense moisturising cream. Number 19. Okay, it's cherry gum. It's a shine liquid lip again, and it's 004. That the size of that is 8ml. Number 20. Is a Rose Dewy Glow Face Mist, and that is a 60ml. 21 over here, another heavy box. Dish Rose Body Yogurt, and that's in 220ml. That's nice. If you like rose, you will like that really much. The end, nearly there, nearly there. That's 21. Number 22 is another size of that, well, another box of that size. This is a Himalayan charcoal purifying glow mask. So I'd imagine that's your face mask. That's a 75ml. 23 is up here. It's a long tall one. And that one is the British Rose Petal Soft Hand Cream. That's in 100ml. Number 24. So again, this is the Drops of Youth, and it's youth concentrate with 3 plant stem cells. That is in a 30ml. So on to Christmas Day, folks. We're here already. They don't last long, do they? And so number 25, Merry Christmas to you. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, whichever. Well, so you've got an Aloe Calm sheet mask, and looks like a little reindeer headband. That's cute. That is looking so soft. It's velvety soft. So guys, that is the Body Shop 2019 Advent Calendar. As I said before, this one is the £99 one. I really hope you've enjoyed watching me open the Advent Calendar today. I don't think we've got any more to come, but I'm sure we'll do them together if we have. So if you've enjoyed it, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please come and subscribe to my channel. That would be wonderful. Until we see each other again, love you loads. See you soon. Bye guys.